Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm just gonna be showing how we can fix this black screen spinning wheel problem on your iPhone device. When I just click to power button, nothing will not work. Just want to show you how we can fix it. Let's get started. First of all, you just have to open your PC and you have to go on the browser and download this software from iPhone Fix Both. So once you download it, by click on try it for free, you will install and you will get this software on your PC, and you can find out the software link just here on my video description below. After that, open the software in your PC and you can see we have 4 options. First one's the star mode, that's going to fix that problem. So first of all, let's go ahead to connect our phone with USB cable, and you can see when I just connect my phone, I will get back on the software, and you have to click on back time to get your phone in recovery mode, and then click on here and just click to enter recovery mode, and you can see our phone's now trying to get in recovery mode. I would say was that. So once I just back here on phone, you can see we got our iPhone device in recovery mode, and we back to first standard mode, then click on next. Now we are going to download the firmware, so it will take a little bit of time, that's why we should have to wait for it. As you can see, the firmware I downloaded with this software has been installed to my iPhone device. Now we are going to check our iPhone. You can see it's still installing that firmware to my phone, so we are going to wait for it. Here you go, we fixed our iPhone device. So let's go ahead to set up, choosing our country and setting as a manual, then click on continue. Once I just connect my phone to Wi-Fi, I'm going to click on don't transfer data or app what I just have. Then I'm going to use this one, don't use Apple ID, then go forward, and I'm going to click to agree, and you're going to go click on continue once more, enable the location. So we're going to set up and finish the setting of our iPhone devices here on our iPhone. Now you can see it's working great. So it's all about how we can fix the black screen spinning wheel problem on your iPhone devices. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next quick 12 videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.